Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dulika and I hope my video finds you in the best health. I was just a bit concerned about the cosmetics that we are using on a regular basis, and I found a specific chemical ingredient which is found in almost 60% of the products in the market. And I also read about it and found out that this product may not be so good for our health. This chemical ingredient is known as the parabens. So let's get started with the video to know what are parabens, how it affects us, and why we should start limiting the use of parabens on daily basis. Please know that I am not a dermatologist, a doctor, or anyone of that sort. I have just gone through many information that is available on YouTube and Google, and I have created the video after reading some articles that are available. So please watch the video till the end to get more information about parabens. Now let's get started first with what parabens are actually. Parabens are widely used preservatives that are used in most of the cosmetics and pharmaceutical products. It is also used as food preservatives. It is famous because of its fungicidal and bactericidal properties. Almost 50 to 60% of the cosmetic products that you find in Indian markets contain parabens. So let's get started to know what are the side effects that parabens bring to us. Parabens tend to get absorbed through our skins and then move to different parts on our bodies. So you can find the contents of paraben in other parts of the body even if you are not directly consuming parabens as food. Parabens mimic the function of estrogen in our body if consumed in large amounts. So this might somehow lead to the disruption of the endocrine system in our body. Probably this is also the reason why it is not advised to use cosmetic products on children, because it might lead to early growth or developments of the kids. However, these facts are not yet approved by any scientific institution, but it is certainly confirmed that these products has some effect on our endocrine system. It is found in 85% cases of breast cancer that the presence of paraben is confirmed in the cancerous cells. However, it is not yet proved if paraben could be a reason for the development of cancer or not. It is also proved that the use of parabens during pregnancy can lead to overweight of the child. Most importantly, though paraben-contained products bring some adverse effects to your skin or not, but they certainly bring some adverse effects to the environment. See, when you use the paraben-containing products on a daily basis, they are washed away by the bathing water or the drinking water that you use on a regular basis, and this water is released into the environment. This water is consumed by the living beings or the animals that are there outside, and the consumption of chemicals of any form certainly brings some or the other effects on these animals. So you see, some or the other way we are contributing to the pollution of the environment, even if we are not throwing away plastic bags or something. So let's get more vigilant about the products that we are using on a daily basis. Though no severe effects have been clinically approved so far, yet American researchers have allowed only use of 0.1 to 0.2% of parabens in any product. Also, some family of parabens have also been banned for use because of the adverse effect that they bring to us and the environment. These ingredients may be written as isopropyl paraben, isomethyl paraben, or the phenyl paraben. So when you go to the market, just look at the back. You might not see paraben free or paraben containing, but when you go through the ingredients, you can find all the ingredients that are there, and certainly you can look for the presence of parabens in it. So if you go through the back of this product that I already have, you will find the presence of methyl paraben and propyl paraben as ingredients which are used as preservatives. So after knowing all of this about the parabens, I literally feel that my wardrobe certainly needs a complete new stock of paraben free and DIY products. After going through all the products that I have, I just found a handful of products which are actually paraben free. So let me share with you a few names of those products that are paraben free, but they are not preservative free. So there are some preservatives present, but they are not parabens. So these list of products are, firstly, this green leaves aloe vera gel. This is an amazing natural product and it actually feels like real aloe vera, and it has only written that it has some added preservatives, but it doesn't mention the presence of paraben in it. So I am assuming that it does not have paraben. The second product that you can use on daily basis is this moisturizer by Faces Canada. It is also paraben free, but it has some other contents as preservatives. The third product is this compact by Sugar, and if you see the back of this product, you will see that it is clearly written that this is paraben free. So there are also products in the market which have this written clearly on their bag that this is paraben free, and you can certainly go for these products. After knowing all of this about parabens, there are a few advices that I would like to share with you all out of concern. Please limit the use of paraben containing products and start using more of paraben free products, or limit the use of cosmetics on a daily basis. The second thing that you can do is start using DIY products because they have no negative environmental effects, firstly, and secondly, they do not contain preservatives. And the third is, even if you are using the paraben containing products, limit the use of preserved or pre-cooked foods. Limit the consumption of these foods to avoid the use of parabens. And fourth is, whenever you buy a product which contains parabens, please also go through the quantity of fourth and most importantly, whenever you buy a paraben containing products, please also try to know the percentage of paraben this product contains. I hope this video was informative for you. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos from my side about a healthy skincare routine and healthy ways of living. This is all for this video. Hope to see you again in the next video. Please like, share and comment. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos for you.